Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Okay, back with part 2. We're talking about, the first part was on the Conversion Pros. I'm in the Conversion Pros. I've been in it since 2016. I recently rejoined Power Lead System this year, and I'm loving it as well. And I'm in both programs, guys. So I'm just doing this video because I get a lot of calls and I tell people the differences, but I decided to go ahead and put the video out. So we're going to talk about Power Lead System on part 2. If you missed part 1, go back on that video and watch the Conversion Pros. Okay, Power Lead System is also a marketing tool. Okay, I'm going to pull up some notes that I put together. It's also a global marketing system, just like the Conversion Pros. Okay, they're both marketing systems. This particular program, Power Lead System itself, has been around for 5 years. The parent company, Priceless Possibilities, has been around about 2 decades. Okay, now they've since partnered with each other, so all the emails that we get are from Priceless Possibilities. So if you see that and then you wonder, well, what is this all about, they've joined ventures, okay, partnerships. So Power Lead System, 5 years old, global marketing system that consists of lots of marketing tools and resources to help you market any business. That's universal. So this system can be used for any company as well. Okay. Or if you don't have another business, you can use the Power Lead System to market it within itself, because it has an income stream where you can earn income in commissions. Okay. So got some little notes here. So one of the differences is Power Lead System has the accelerated leverage compensation plan. So that's what got me on board with it. Like I said, I was already using the Conversion Pros, and I like the compensation plan of the Power Lead System, but it has some great tools and features in it as well. So let's go over the comp plan real quick. Come in as a gold member. Okay, to be a member of this program is $53.97 a month. Okay, and you're going to make $20 residual commission off everybody you refer in as a gold member. Okay, now they pay every Wednesday. Okay, and then your monthly residual, you get that as well. Now, as being a gold member, just being a gold member, guys, is very powerful. That's what made me look at it a second time. You get 50% matching bonus on all your gold members that you bring over. Okay, with this program, you have pass-ups. So even the people that you pass up, you're going to make 50% matching bonus off of them. Your sponsor is going to get the $20 for the ones you pass up. They're going to make that $20 residual, but you're going to make the 50% matching bonus, which is more. Because if that person or those people come in and they produce, let's say someone comes in and they make $1,000, you pass them up, but you're going to make half. The company's going to cut a second check for you. So if they made $1,000, you're going to make $500. Okay, so imagine all the people that you're going to make 50% off. That's an additional check that the company will cut, okay, for your 50%. So be a gold member. Get those $20 residuals over and over and over, okay? Now, they also have a this is the lower end, one of their levels. It's called Lead Lightning. It's $7, okay? There's no monthly fees with this. If you can't afford to be a gold member, get Lead Lightning. It's $7 and you make $6 commission off of everybody. But you don't have the flexibility with your capture pages as you would if you became a gold member. Okay? You only get that one capture page. You can't edit it. You can't do any changes with it. Any of that. Okay? You still will get an autoresponder. So that's the other thing. This one also gives you unlimited autoresponder, unlimited capture pages. Okay? You can make as many capture pages as you want. They also have pre-built capture pages, just as the Conversion Pros does. Okay, so Lead Lightning, $7, $7 one time. You make $6 on everybody you refer on that. Okay, there is the website to go ahead and check it out. Get your 7-day trial on the Power Lead System. You don't get a trial with a Lead Lightning. It's a one-time $7. But you can try out the Power Lead System, okay, for 7 days. And then after that, it's $53.97 a month. So here's my website. Go check it out and get your trial and test drive. And test drive them both, guys, so you can kind of see which one you like better, okay? This one has an accelerated, as I said, leverage comp plan. So that's what Excuse me. That's what got me really, really pumped up about it. So for me, I'm getting the best of both worlds because I have the Conversion Pros and I have the Power Lead system, and I'm going to keep them both. Okay. So as I said, $53.97 a month, be a gold member. Now, Power Lead system has different products in it. Okay, that's included in their in the program. So you can be a gold member, $53.97 a month. These are optional, but why not take advantage and make additional income, make additional commission? Buy the diamond package, the free ad secrets to teach you how to market online, $147 one time, and every time somebody buys that diamond package that you sign up, you make $100 commission. Okay, that's awesome, and you get paid every Wednesday. Okay, they even have a debit card, which is pretty cool, that you can get and put your commissions on that if you don't want the e-wallet. Okay, so that's one product. Then the other product they have is called Social Profit, and it's $497 one time. You own that product. It's called Social Profit Academy. You're going to make $400 commission every time someone buys that product, the Social Profit Academy. Okay, powerful. Okay. And remember, its autoresponder is included as well. Okay, just like the Conversion Pros. The autoresponder is already included. Once people opt into your page, the autoresponder is going to kick in and take over. Okay, so now we're still going. In addition to that, you make 25% matching bonus on your pay line. Okay, so more income, guys. So more leverage. You get more leverage on your entire pay line. Okay, so diamond level, and you will have pass-ups too. So again, that's where the accelerated leverage come in, because not only are you making, commissions on your direct referral people, but then you're getting these pass-ups, and then they having to pass up, and then some people are having to pass up. So it just goes on and on. So you have money coming from different directions because you're building pretty much a team, versus the Conversion Pros is a recurring residual, kind of like your phone bill. Okay, kind of like whoever your cell phone is through, they have a customer base, right? And we just pay that bill every month over and over and over and over. The same customers over and over. Every time a new customer comes, they make that money over and over. That's residual. Okay, it's no necessarily a team build. It's you building and building. This one is more of a team build, and you're getting the leverage from the pass-ups, okay? And then not to mention you're getting the bigger ticket items on the products that they have inside here. The being a diamond and being platinum, okay? So that's where you're going to have the accelerated leverage. So it's really powerful. You can make a lot of money with this model, okay? So you got the 25% matching bonus, okay? On the diamond, you have the 50% matching bonus on being a gold member. I mean, this is powerful. Then we come down. Now, with the platinums, you don't have to roll anybody up. You will be rolling some of your diamonds up, but everybody has to do that. That's wonderful, which I like, because that way everybody's getting paid. Okay, so be a platinum member, pay the $497 one time, and then you're gonna make $400 commissions, and you're gonna get the $50 override. Okay, so say you sign up someone and they become a platinum, and then they get a platinum person, they get $400, then you make $50. Every time they make $400, you make $50. That's powerful. The diamond, every time you sign up a diamond, you're gonna make 25% on that. So you're always getting paid off of other people's efforts. Okay, that's powerful. Okay, so these overrides can be very powerful. So get excited. So you're looking at $20 residuals. Then you're looking at these overrides. You're looking at $25. You're looking at $50 overrides. Then you'll make $100 on all diamonds. Then you can make $400 on all platinums, guys. So this is the comp plan in a nutshell. Okay, on top of your 50% matching bonus that you're going to get on all your gold members. Okay, so as they state on the website, this is a digital sales machine. Okay, so that's what got me excited about looking at the Power Lead system. So again, you can market this one by itself a la carte, or you can market it with your primary. You can use it on the front end to market your primary on the back end. Okay? So, both of the programs are marketing systems. Both. They both have unlimited autoresponders. They both have unlimited capture pages. They both have pre-built pages. Okay? If you don't want to have to deal with a page and say, hey, well, I don't want to have to really build anything and change anything, no problem. There's tons of pages already built in the back office. Just plug in, link your domain to it. Okay? So I'm going to flip back over to the pages. Okay? So hold on one second. Let's go back over to the back office. You can see right here, I'm all in. Everything is green. I've purchased the diamond level. I've purchased the platinum. I'm all in. Now, what I like about this one as well, everything is right here at your fingertips. Hit this easy button, get started. Right here, you can send email campaigns. It's already set up for you. All you got to do is send them out. They have virtual postcards. I love that. They have e-cards. All this stuff can be emailed, guys. It is so awesome. Here's all your websites. Here is a tracking feature, so you can track your marketing efforts. Now, the difference with this one I love about Power Lead System, you can literally buy your domain within the Power Lead System, kind of like a GoDaddy, but you're buying it right from Power Lead System, and then you have unlimited subdomains that you can create off of that domain. Okay, so that's really cool to be able to buy your domain from Power Lead System and manage it right in the back office of Power Lead System and have the subdomains, which is awesome. I have, I don't know, 20, 30 subdomains, okay, which is pretty cool. You can also link Power Lead System up with Aweber and GetResponse if you like. You can do that as well. They have share codes, just like the Conversion Pros, same thing, okay. Right here, they show you how to market online, offline. They give you email swipe copies. All you have to do is copy and paste. You can link your social media. You can link your social media up on your website. All you have to do is copy your links in it. Same thing you can do with the Conversion Pros. Now, what I also like that the Conversion Pros don't have is the live trainings, okay? Conversion Pros, everything is recorded, or the owner will get on and he will just speak on some things live on Facebook or something like that. But with the Conversion Pros, pretty much every Wednesday there is a live hangout. Every Thursday there's a live hangout and training. It's all live. And then Sunday, I'm a part of the Freedom Takers. There's a Sunday hangout. So everything, the hangouts are live and they're recorded. So that's pretty cool too. And all you have to do is email that out to your list, guys. But that's what you're looking at in a nutshell. Go ahead. Right here, you can go into your contacts. Everything is right here. Here's all the training. The difference is this system here, they're both marketing systems. This one includes products, whereas the Conversion Pros, the owner does all the training and he records it, okay, to teach you how to market online. The Power Lead System gives you the products, the additional products that you can purchase, and you can generate an income off of those products. So that accelerates your income, okay? So 2 great programs. I love them both. I'm going to stay in them both. They both have good comp plans. This one, I think, has a higher accelerated leverage, and I hear they're going to add $1,000 level to the Power Lead System too. So just imagine that, guys. So check it out. Get your free trial. Okay, go ahead and try this one out. Get your free trial. Go to my website right there, earnwithpandora.info. Get your free trial. Check it out. Test drive the Conversion Pros as well. And then just see which one you want to partner with, guys. But pick one because you need it for your marketing system, okay? So that's all I have for you today. Like, subscribe, and share. Go ahead and hit that red button down there. Subscribe so you can be notified every time I do a video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to you joining my team. You have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.